Hi guys, this is Dr. Bhupesh once again for you all from Dr. BKM OET Institutes. Our contact number is +917696734256. And you may call us on the same number for the best OET coaching and do subscribe our channel. Again, I just said that please listen to one video two times rather than doing two videos. One video two times is better because then you can understand. Understanding, that is why reading is known as comprehension. Comprehension comes out of a word comprehend. Comprehend means understand. That without understanding you cannot do reading. So please pay attention. This question is little tricky and I'm doing it for you. So please pay full attention. According to paragraph, which of the following is correct regarding the development of dementia? My question is dementia and what is correct. So I have to find true. Okay, if there is false, I write false. If I have to find true, I find true. So far, there is little evidence that mental practice will help prevent the development of dementia. So my question is regarding dementia and my question is regarding development of dementia. That means mental practice cannot improve dementia. There is better evidence that good brain health is determined by the multiple factors, that brain development early in life matters, and that the genetic influence are of great importance in accounting for the individual differences in the cognitive reserve and explaining who develops Alzheimer and who does not. So genetic factors are the main factors, are of great importance to know whether somebody would be good or bad. At least half of the explanation, at least half means more than 50%. This is the sign of more than 50%. At least half of the explanation for the individual differences susceptibility to is genetic. So genetic is really important, more than 50%. Although the genes involved have not been completely discovered, the balance of the explanation lies in the environmental. Balance means the rest. So more than 50% is genetics. Rest of the factors are environment and behavioral health practice alone or in interaction with the genetic factors. So it can be environmental, it can be behavioral, or they can be alone, or they can be together for less than this percent, less than 50%. However, at this stage, there is no convincing evidence that memory practice and other cognitive stimulating activities are sufficient to prevent Alzheimer's disease. It's not just a case, use it or lose it. It's not a kind of a case where we say about our muscles, use it or lose it. We say now, use our body, otherwise you will lose it. So now genetic factors are the most significant. I really believe so because they were talking about genetics. I really want to do it. And it is more than 50%. So mm, feel like a environmental factors interact with the behavioral factors. It is not necessary that they will interact with behavioral factors. They can act alone as well. So not necessarily when we say environmental factors interact, again, it is present indefinite first form. That means they should always interact. But over here, they are saying environmental factor behavioral practice alone. Alone can also do. So there is one point alone word is missing. So these two not always interact. Sometimes they alone do the susceptibility of Alzheimer's. Good brain health can reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. A good brain health word, yeah. Good brain health is determined by multiple factors, brain development, and that the genetic influence are again good brain health can reduce the developing Alzheimer's disease. I don't think so. And anyhow, my question was regarding dementia. So why to again take chance? I would go with A, even if it is wrong. I won't mind it, but I will take your help for sure. A and C, I'm confused. B should not be my answer. B, I have eliminated. Yeah, but A again, I will go with the simple one. Why to take? If I have to take a chance again, why to make it difficult? So what's the answer, guys? Can you help me with this? A or
A. A.
then this is what we learned from the previous listening we did. When we overthink, we go wrong. When we don't overthink, easy questions go right. And I told you in that listening video, again, I will put it in this video as well at the end. Please listen to that listening video, that when we overthink it goes wrong. Good brain health, first of all, I'm sorry, but it's just simple. My question was regarding dementia. If by chance Alzheimer's and dementia are same, even then I can't help it. But even in that case, if Alzheimer's, then they were talking about that there is better good brain health is determined by multiple factors, brain development, and that the genetic factors are of great importance in accounting for cognitive result and in explaining who develops Alzheimer's disease and who does not. So that means there is a kind of genetic factors are the main ones, which will let us know whether Alzheimer's will be there or not. This was a separate topic. And again, if I had to take the chance, why don't I take it when I know it is more than 50%? 50%, more than 50%, because they say at least half of the explanation. So I was not confused at all. If I get, if I get into overthinking mode, I lose it. So even if by chance this question would have been wrong answer, then I'm happy at least my two questions went right, second and third, which were easy, which I have recorded in the previous video. So guys, again, the only challenge is to not to overthink. I was telling in Mohali when I went the last week, I was telling in Chandigarh as well, where I went the last week, that the only mantra I have found, not only for OET, but also for life, but anyhow, we are talking about OET now. Only mantra of success is trust me, do not overthink. Just do it in the simple way, you will pass in life as well. OET to is a part of thing. This is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM OET Institutes. Again, our number is there. Now I'm putting up a listening video, and also listen to one of the reading videos that we have just posted today only. Thank you very much. And again, listen to it 2 times. 1 time will not be enough. Thank you.